So you want your flat surface to suddenly look like it has bumps, scratches, grooves, or real detail without adding a single extra polygon. Yeah, that's the normal input working its magic. A normal map fakes surface detail by telling Unreal how light should bend and react on each pixel. It doesn't change the actual geometry itself, but it just pretends there's depth and your eyes fall for it every single time. It's basically free detail without killing performance. Now to use it, let's just take a look at this example here where as you can see on the screen we have a texture sample map of normal map. Now we are using a very basic one that comes with the engine. Of course you can use your own or you can just import it from anywhere like Bridge or something, but for now we are going to use this one and let's just take a look at this closely. So as you can see on the screen, this is the mannequin one, the queen mannequin. It's hers normal texture map. Now when you drag that normal map into the graph of the material, it becomes a texture sample, and what you got to do is just connect the RGB value to the normal option that is given here, and we are just going to ignore all the other settings that are given here because we already discussed all of those in previous videos. So let's just take a look at the normal here only. So now we just connected it and applied it. Now as you can see on the screen after applying it, how a simple flat surface looks highly detailed. I mean, look at it, all the major cuts and the smaller cut you can see on the screen which looks like it has a bump, it has a a cloth type surface, but it actually very flat. It's only the normal app that's telling Unreal how to bend the light in a way so it looks to us like it has a bump, a small bump, or a cloth like texture. In reality, it's just a flat surface. It's only the light bouncing it in a way that it looks like it has a depth. And it make your material look way more realistic than the mesh actually is. I mean, we are looking it continuously, how detailed it is. The lines, it looks like it just got carved into the surface. But as soon as we remove the normal map, it will become a flat green surface. But as long as we have a normal map connected to it, all of the place where the normal map have its own values, it look like it has curves, it have bumps, it has a cloth like texture or tone like texture where it curved, or you carved something into it. So it's super awesome. Now the question is, where do you actually use it? And obviously the answer is very simple. You are going to use it everywhere: rock, wood, brick, skin, metal surface, cloth weaves, ground textures, anything that has fine detail or texture benefits from a normal map. If you want your material to look AAA instead of flat and boring, you will end up using the input constantly. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.